Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Google Pay. Make sure you're signed and so contacts sync. Once done, tap the Send or Pay button to begin. You need the recipient's phone number or email and the exact amount. Enter them now. If the person isn't in contacts, add their info manually, then choose Payment Link or Request Link where available. This jumps you into creating the link immediately. Do not pause, because the link often embeds the amount and note in one step. Now craft the payment link itself. Select the recipient or paste their contact, type the exact amount and add a brief note explaining the reason. Once filled, pick Request or Generate Link depending on your region. This packages amount, note, and expiry together. Make sure to review the summary. Errors here mean refunds later. Then tap Create Link and wait for the link preview. You'll get options to share. Choose the channel your recipient uses most so they can open it immediately. Finish by selecting How to Share. The link can be sent by SMS, email, or pasted into chat. Tell the recipient to open the link and follow prompts to pay. Once they complete it, you'll receive a confirmation notification. If the payment doesn't appear, first ask them to check their sent confirmation. Next, update the app and retry creating the link. As one key troubleshooting tip, if the link fails, copy it, resend via a different channel, and verify both accounts are verified and not blocked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.